Alright, hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is going to be with two ties. This is going to be the Zanmi knot. That's the Haitian Creole word for friend or friends. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, two ties. Going to be at the belt line as usual. And we're just going to come in here, we're just going to fold it. We're going to bring the fold it in half, bring it into the center. We're going to take the bottom tie. We're going to come up and over. And I'm using a regular size tie and then a kind of a little skinnier tie, but that's just what I've used for this. So we're going to come up and over like that, down around, then up and over like this. So this is what we have so far. Okay. So then I'm going to come this way, come around like that, come up like this, and then I'm going to fold it like that, a little closer down there. So then we have this. We have that going. So then we're going to come over here, come around like that, bring it through the center like that. So there you have that. So that's one tie. So then I'm going to come bring this across like this, and then come around right across the top like that, and then we're just going to put this down here like this to secure it. Then we're going to come through here, come around here like this, bring it around like that, and then I'm going to come up through this. Like so. And down through around like that. Then I'm going to come back down like this. I'm going to bring it through this right here. I'm just going to it'll just kind of naturally flow that way. Let's fold this in half. Bring it through there, but fold it in half. And have to kind of adjust it to do that, and then I want to open up this right here and then put this through this. Now I'm going to put this collar down, make some adjustments to it, but that's basically it. I'm going to put my buttons in place like this. And again, you can see this picture on my Instagram at Simmons Essentials. You guys know where to find me. So here we go. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully, wonderfully made. That's basically what you want it to look like. Peace and God bless. We'll see you in the next video.